Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. This is one of the first mods I did on the 3rd gen, but we're going to do it for the 4th gen too. We're going to be putting hood struts on a 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Let's do this. Now this is the Quick Lift Elite from Redline Tuning. They are not sponsoring this. I got this because I wanted it. I'm very happy with it on my 3rd gen, and from what I understand, it's a whole lot easier to install. I don't even think I have to put in rivets or drill holes like I did on the 3rd gen. Now let's see what came in the tube. Bracket, another bracket, brackets, instructions, looks like a bolt, and here's a struts. See, that looks nice. Check that out. This is an upgrade from what I had on the 3rd gen. This is the Hood Quick Lift Elite. This is the premium package, if I remember. Let's get this installed. So you're going to need a 13mm socket and ratchet, a 12mm and 13mm combo wrench. So you'll see here, there's 52, and it needs to be going down in this configuration. Essentially go right there. This is much easier than the 3rd gen. You had to drill a hole, use a rivet gun to rivet it in. This is much easier. All right, let's see here. All right, that's wrong way. That's 12mm. Do one side at a time. And we'll probably have to do this again when we install our ditch lights. But I go in like this, it pointed down. You can see it lines up nice and easy. It's hand started. You do not want to cross thread this. There we go. Let's get that in there, then we'll tighten it up. That nice and tight. All right, now the other side, do the same thing, and it's number 53. You're going to be removing this bolt and placing this, which is number 54, right here. This would be a 12mm combo wrench, because that's the only way you're getting in there. Let's get this going. Especially when there's ratcheting combo wrenches, make things so easy, especially when they're swivel. This is from Mojo Tools. I got it off Amazon, and in the toolkit I got goes from 8mm all the way up to 24, which is very handy. And it comes in a nice roll-up pouch. I had it mounted on the side of my molly panels on my 3rd gen, and I got to figure out what I'm going to do with it on the 4th gen, but it is very handy. All right, we got this out. So this will fit in there just like this. Let's go ahead and put that through the hole there and put this back in. This is so easier than the 3rd gen. I gotta hand it to Redline Tuning for finding a way without drilling holes and using a rivet gun. This is so easy compared to the 3rd gen. Let's get that nice and tight. This side's done. Let's get the other side. This over here is for hybrid models. You'll have this coolant over here, and the dealership, this was for the liquid cooled turbo, but we're going to remove this bolt right here and place the other bracket right there. This is for the hybrid models only. I'm not going to need an extension here, but 13mm. There we go. And this should fit right behind this. Yep, right there. See this notch? It goes in a hole that's behind this. Hard to get in there, but we'll get it in. There we go. Fits right in there, so it's nice and snug. See how that looks. Put this bolt back on and start it first so we don't cross thread. There we go. All right. Next step. All right, so we take the lower end of the rod of the hood strut and snap it on. And take the other end and snap that on. And that come off because this actually brings it up higher. Let's go do the other side. Again, take this in, snap it in place. You have to turn it and lift. You might have to lift up a little bit, snap it in, and there, it is on. Let's test this thing out. What do you say? All right, here we go. Let's test this out. That's maybe a quarter of the time that it took to install on a 3rd gen. I gotta give Redline kudos. This is easy install, super easy. It's around $100. And I don't understand why Toyota doesn't at least put these on the higher trims, but it is well worth the money. And it's so easy to install now on the 4th gen compared to the 3rd gen. And it even lifts the hood higher than what the stock does. Look at that. Check that out. Now I just need to get a engine cover. Maybe I ought to get one and paint it bronze oxide. What do you think? I'm seriously thinking about it. But anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And be sure to like and share this video, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and what you think, and we will see you next time.